Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to check your Credit One credit balance. There are a couple of ways to do this. The first is the online balance check, and how you want to do that is to just go to the Credit One website and just log into your accounts, and then once you're logged in, click on the account balance tab to view your current balance. To do that on mobile, what you want to do is download the Credit One mobile app from the App Store for iOS devices or the Google Play Store for Android devices, and then of course just log into your account. And once you're logged in, your current balance will be displayed on the app's dashboard. Now for our phone balance check, what you want to do is to call Credit One's customer service. The number is right there on the screen, and then provide your credit card number and other identifying information to access your account, and then just ask the representative for your current balance. Now for mail balance check, all you want to do is review your monthly statement to see your current balance. You can just contact Credit One support service if you have questions or concern about your account balance. Now that's pretty much it on how to check your Credit One credit card balance. I hope you guys found the video useful. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.